Recently, your girl Gabrielle has had a serious sweet tooth, and I've been craving all things chocolate. So today I'm gonna be making some double chocolate brownies with Hue baking chocolate chips. What I love about these chocolate chips is that they are 100% plant-based, no soy, no palm oil, and they also have no added sugar in them too, y'all. Creamy, rich chocolate. Now that I have my batter all mixed up, I'm gonna add in my Hue chocolate chips. Get in there, girl. Yes. Woo. Brownies going in, chocolate for the win. My brownie batter with extra chocolate chip goodness is ready to go. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven, let it bake, get all crispy and gooey and ooey and delicious, and then give it a glow. Last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna melt down some of my Hue chocolate chips to create a delicious and decadent drizzle. After you've rolled your brownies into beautiful balls of bliss, drizzle over that melted chocolate to finish off this dish, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Oh, this is too good. Ooh, oh my goodness, she's beautiful. So I just popped these in the freezer for about 20 minutes and they are ready. These beautiful brownie bites. I can't believe these came together so well, y'all. Enjoy and dig on in.